is Amy with Flower & Moxie, and we're going to be talking about boutonnieres because I know that it still feels intimidating. A lot of brides and couples bring it up that boutonnieres feel scary, and they absolutely shouldn't. They're the easiest things to make. So first of all, I want to talk about when it comes to boutonnieres and corsages, you're just using the scraps. You don't need to order a lot of extra flowers for boutonnieres or corsages. Any florist who tells you that she doesn't use the trash to make them is probably lying to you. So oftentimes in my studio, you'll see like little hot messes like this, and these are just scraps. These are things that I break. These are perfect later for cake flowers, boots, corsages, floral crowns, floral combs, things like that. And so when you're DIYing your flowers, just have a little cup to stick those extra pieces in. When you're going to find your boutonniere flowers and greenery, you don't want to take the top pretty piece of like an Italian ruscus. You want to start on the pieces that are down low. So if I'm setting up a boutonniere station for my designers, I will come in and do this and give them some greenery to work with. I'll do the same for this gunny eucalyptus. It's like you're cutting apart your product because this right here, even though it's scraps, it's the perfect size. This is important. So for like thistle, there's a lot. Typically